your weekly update of the ocean conditions off of the southeastern United States for Tuesday, October 11th, 2022. We'll be taking a quick look at the ocean conditions from the Keys up to Cape Hatteras using sea surface temperature as well as ocean color satellite data taken over the weekend. Looking at the area overall, we can see some effects from Hurricane Ian still, with generally cooler water off of North Carolina and then warmer water down here off of the Keys. The difference is about 2 degrees with 84-degree water down here and 82-degree water up here. Starting to the south, we can see the Gulf Stream is pushed relatively far south and to the east. If we look at the ocean color data, we can see that is due to an eddy centered off of Miami. Right about here, and then the associated offshore flow off of Sugarloaf is approximately here. To the north, we can see an eddy off of the Fort Lauderdale area, as well as off of the Stewart area and the Jupiter area. Looking east into the Northwest Providence Channel, we can see a counterclockwise rotation through the area. That is also shown pretty well in the sea surface temperature data, looking like that. Looking off of Eleuthera, Abaco, and over to Walkers, we can see a little bit cooler, favorable what we call Bahamas blue water, a little bit better represented in the chlorophyll data here. So this nice cleaner water creates excellent edges. We can see here we do have a bit of an offshore flow of warmer blended water off of Marsh Harbor, but to the south extending to Hole in the Wall, north off of Eleuthera, as well as Spanish Cay to Walkers. We do have a counterclockwise rotation pulling less favorable water offshore off of Walkers to the east, but to the west, and then certainly extending along the eastern Gulf Stream edge off of Stewart to Canaveral. We can see an excellent water mass boundary here. Looking north off of Canaveral to Jacksonville, we can see an eddy in this area, as well as off of the St. Augustine and Jacksonville area. And then looking north off of Georgia to North Carolina, we can see a large eddy centered off of Charleston, as well as Cape Fear and Cape Hatteras to Cape Lookout as well. And this again is also represented in the sea surface data here. So we can see this nice temperature edge through there, and along here. Quickly jumping back to the color data, we can also see smaller rotations pushing some of this blue water inshore into 15 to 18 fathoms, which is a good sign as well for some certainly kingfish, but tuna, dolphin, and sailfish will get in there as well. But that is it for the update this week. As always, please give us a call at 321-723-5759, or you can order an analysis from ROFFS.com, and we'll provide you an update. Thank you very much.